In this video, I'll show you guys how to make thumbnails like me on After Effects. I have always struggled with thumbnails, but now I kinda have my own thumbnail style. Well, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I have a pretty basic thumbnail. Like the thumbnail and just 3D text, yeah, that's it. Well, first download the overlays from the link in the description, and now let's start. First, I'm going to bring the picture of the thumbnail to the timeline, and now I'm going to duplicate it and just hide the first layer. And now I'll double click it and press Alt and W to turn on the roto brush. And now I'll just select my character. Now we have our character. Now you can unhide your first layer and add a solid layer. It should be black though, any color you actually. Now find jaws. CC jaws, add it to the solid layer, and completion maybe 80 and height should be 0. See, and now add a new adjustment layer just above the solid layer and find optics compensation. Now add it to the adjustment layer and turn on the reverse lens distortion, and now change the field of view to however you like it, like this, yeah. And now just select these two layers and make a pre-comp, and now it's not distorting the background. And now make it your character PNGs, like I have these. Bring it like under the pre-comp. Now place it however you like. Give me a second. And now select this, like double click the layer and roto brush your character. Yep. And now what we need to do is turn down the opacity a little with these photos. Yep, that's good enough. Now add the what the fuck? Now add the overlay on top of everything. You can also put the overlay under your character, but I like it above the character. Now zoom in a little and just kind of get the overlay wherever you want. I kind of like this. And go to blending options, and you can select from these three. I'll go first lighten. No, not lighten, maybe add. Let's see about screen. The screen should be good enough. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Now get a new text layer. Type in whatever your song name or whatever you want. I'll type in thumbnail. And then just hide this layer. Now add a new solid layer, and now search for element. Yeah, this. Now go to custom layers, custom text and masks, and select your thumbnail or whatever, like text layer. And now go to scene setup, press extrude, go to presets, bevels, add physical, and just select whatever you like. I like this one a lot. And now go to extrusion model, click this arrow and then the shiny light, yeah. And now go down till you see illumination, yeah. Now change this color to your character, or maybe your like whatever color you want. My thumbnail is going to be a little bit of like purplish or pinkish, so I'm going between them. Yeah, just like that, and okay, and just press OK. We have a thumbnail here, or text 3D. Now go to group 1, particle look, and search for multi-object and turn on the multi-object. Now you will see this, search for rotation random multi and just play with this however you like. Yeah, maybe this is good enough. And you can also play with displays if you want, like if you want them to be like that or like this. I'll just keep it simple. Yep. And now go to particle replicator, and with this you can actually change or whatever, like change the position or zoom in or zoom out your 3D text. This looks good enough. Now I'll go to my pre-comp or timeline and add a new adjustment layer and add optics. This is an optional though. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Just kind of like get it like this, and with the view center just get it above your text. Yup. And now make a pre-comp. It's so easy. Now duplicate this comp and add deep glow. After adding the deep glow, turn on this last option, unmult, and then you can play with this. I will not tell you like what you need to do here, you just have to play with it. These are my settings though, these three. Yeah, you can play with this, but threshold should be 0, threshold smooth should be 100, and smooth blending should be turned on. And now go to blending option and you can play with this again. Add lighten screen. Add is too much, okay. Lighten is too little. Screen is decent, yeah. You can always play with them, okay. Yeah, that's it. Easy. Or if you want, you can add a new adjustment layer. Go to effects and search for looks. It's in Magic Bullet plugin, and if you don't have these plugins, you can always go to YouTube to find them. Okay, yeah, there is always a video on YouTube for them. Add a curves. You can always like play with the curves, or you can just follow my settings. Now add a LUT. This is also an optional, but whatever you do, don't leave it on 100% strength, okay? That's too much. Now add a camera, maybe lens, yeah, is flare if you want. This is also optional because this is like, not everyone like this type of things. Yeah, that's good enough. And there you have it, a thumbnail like me on After Effects. See, really easy. Well, thank you for watching the video. I hope y'all learned something, and if you did, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe the channel for more tutorials and edits. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace.